Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to make vanilla mousse cakes with wild berries. Let's get started. First, we'll prepare the vanilla mousse. In a saucepan, bring the milk, sugar, and vanilla paste to a boil. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, soak the gelatin in cold water and let it bloom. Pour the hot milk over the egg yolks. And return the mixture to the saucepan. Add the bloom gelatin to the milk egg mixture. Heat for another minute. Transfer it to a bowl and set aside to cool down. Whip the cold cream with a mixer until soft peaks form. Then gently fold it into the cooled mixture in 2 additions. The mousse is now ready to use. For convenience, transfer the mousse into a piping bag. Fill silicone molds with the mousse, leaving a little space. Add wild berries. Cover with a thin layer of mousse. Cut circles of almond sponge. Press them gently into the mousse. Place in the freezer until completely set. Next, let's prepare the mirror glaze. Combine water, sugar, and glucose syrup in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Meanwhile, bloom the gelatin in cold water. In a separate bowl, mix white chocolate, condensed milk, and neutral glaze. Add bloomed gelatin. Pour the hot syrup into the chocolate mixture. Add some food color and blend thoroughly until smooth and shiny. Unmold the frozen cake and place it on a ring or stand. Pour the cooled mirror glaze over the cake to fully cover it. Transfer the cake to a cake board with a toothpick. Pipe the cream onto the surface of the cakes. Decorate with some berries. Let's cut and see what they look like inside. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for watching.